Have you ever met someone who instantly makes people feel comfortable? They're not always the smartest, funniest, or most attractive person in the room, yet within seconds people naturally trust them, enjoy talking to them, and want to be around them. This isn't luck. Psychologists have found that your brain forms a first impression in just a few seconds, long before you've had a real conversation. The good news: charisma isn't something you're born with, it's a set of behaviors that almost anyone can learn. Today, you'll discover 5 science-backed habits that make people subconsciously like you almost instantly. The first secret is that warmth comes before intelligence. Most people think being impressive is the key to being charismatic, but psychology suggests something different. Before people decide whether you're competent, they first decide whether you feel safe and approachable. A genuine smile, relaxed posture, steady eye contact, and a calm voice send powerful signals that say, "I'm friendly." Think about someone you enjoy talking to. Chances are they don't make you feel judged. They make you feel comfortable. And that's exactly what makes them memorable. Your body language often speaks before you even say your first word. The second habit is finding genuine similarities. People naturally feel closer to those who remind them of themselves. Psychologists call this the similarity effect. It could be a shared hobby, a favorite movie, your hometown, or even a similar life experience. The important thing is to be authentic. Don't pretend to have things in common just to impress someone. Instead, listen carefully and look for real connections. Even one shared interest can make a conversation feel more natural and build trust much faster, because familiarity creates a sense of comfort. The third habit is becoming a better listener. Here's something surprising. People don't always remember what you said, but they do remember how you made them feel. Most conversations are filled with people waiting for their turn to speak. Charismatic people do the opposite. They ask thoughtful questions, maintain eye contact, and listen without interrupting. They make the other person feel heard. And when someone feels genuinely understood, they naturally enjoy being around you. Sometimes listening is far more powerful than speaking. The fourth habit is understanding that your emotions are contagious. Have you ever noticed how one anxious person can make an entire room feel tense? The opposite is also true. Psychologists refer to this as emotional contagion. Your mood subtly influences the people around you. If you're calm, positive, and emotionally balanced, others often begin to mirror that energy without even realizing it. This is why truly charismatic people don't just speak with confidence. They create an atmosphere that feels safe, relaxed, and enjoyable. The energy you bring into a room often becomes the energy everyone else experiences. Finally, the most charismatic people understand one simple truth. People may forget your words, but they rarely forget how you made them feel. Offer sincere compliments. Remember someone's name. Show genuine appreciation. Celebrate other people's successes instead of trying to outshine them. If every interaction leaves someone feeling a little happier, a little more confident, or a little more understood, they'll naturally want to spend more time with you. That's real charisma. The science of charisma isn't about manipulation or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about making people feel safe, heard, and valued. Smile genuinely. Listen more than you speak. Find authentic connections. Manage your emotions. And always leave people feeling better than when they met you. These habits may seem simple, but together they can completely change the way people respond to you.